And guys, what's happening? How to add Smartwatch in GoogleFit. To add Smartwatch to GoogleFit, install the GoogleFit app on both your phone and watch and sign in with the same Google account. Emphasis on the same Google account. And make sure they're paired. So you're gonna pair, of course, because I'm using iPhone, I'm gonna pair my GoogleFit to Apple Health. So I'm gonna hit turn on right here, right? And sync GoogleFit with Apple Health or Huawei Health Kit, okay? Or whatever health device or whatever your respective health app on your phone, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and log in on your watch with the Google Fit. Make sure you use the same Google account, and basically you're gonna continue, or you're gonna be able to connect or pair your account seamlessly. Okay, so and the watch's data, steps, heart rate automatically syncs to your phone app, appearing in your profile settings under other devices. Or you might need to, intermediary app like, third-party app if you're using different device, or if you are using different device and that doesn't show, you can use like HealthSync as a bridge between HealthSync or between your device and Google Fit as the destination. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.